20 DIY planter box ideas for your garden. Transform your garden with 20 creative projects, from reclaimed wood to modern designs. Get inspired and start building your dream planter box today. Transform your garden with 20 creative projects, from reclaimed wood to modern designs. Get inspired and start building your dream planter box today. 1. Reclaimed wood planter box with trellis. A reclaimed wood planter box with trellis is a beautiful combination of rustic charm and functional gardening. It adds a touch of vintage elegance to your garden while providing a sturdy support for your climbing plants. The trellis allows for maximum airflow and sunlight penetration, promoting healthy plant growth. The reclaimed wood adds a unique, distressed texture that develops its own character over time. This planter box is perfect for training vines, roses, or clematis to grow upwards, creating a breathtaking display in your garden. 2. Modern succulent planter box with metal frame. A modern succulent planter box with metal frame is a perfect blend of industrial chic and natural beauty. This sleek design features a sturdy metal frame that provides structure and support to the planter, while the succulents add a touch of softness and elegance. The metal frame also allows for good air circulation, which is essential for succulents' health. You can customize the size and design of the frame to fit your space and style, making it a versatile and modern addition to your garden or indoor space. 3. Vertical planter box with macrame hangers. A vertical planter box with macrame hangers is a stunning combination of functionality and aesthetic appeal. By suspending the planter box from a sturdy macrame hanger, you can add a touch of bohemian chic to your garden or patio. This DIY project requires some patience and skill, but the end result is well worth the effort. Plus, it's a great space-saving solution for small gardens or balconies, allowing you to grow your favorite herbs or flowers in a compact yet stylish way. 4. DIY wooden crates planter box. Upcycle old wooden crates to create a beautiful and rustic planter box for your garden. Simply disassemble the crates, sand them to smooth out any rough edges, and reassemble them into a rectangular planter. Add some drainage holes to the bottom and fill with your favorite potting soil and plants. You can also add a personalized touch by staining or painting the crates in a color of your choice. This DIY planter box is a great way to add some character to your garden without breaking the bank. 5. Self-watering planter box with PVC pipes. A self-watering planter box with PVC pipes is a game changer for gardeners who tend to forget to water their plants. The system works by filling the PVC pipes with water, which is then absorbed by the soil as needed. This means your plants will receive a steady supply of moisture, reducing the risk of underwatering or overwatering. Plus, the PVC pipes are inexpensive and easy to install, making this DIY project a budget-friendly option. 6. UPCYC LED pallet planter box with built-in benches. This innovative planter box design combines functionality with style, perfectly blending into your garden decor. By upcycling old pallets, you'll create a one-of-a-kind planter box with built-in benches, making the most of your outdoor space. The benches provide a cozy spot to sit and appreciate your lush greenery, while the planter box itself can be customized to fit your preferred garden theme. This eco-friendly project is a great way to reduce waste and add a touch of rustic charm to your garden. 7. Hanging planter box with rope handles. Hanging planter box with rope handles is an excellent way to add a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. This type of planter box is perfect for small gardens, balconies, or patios where floor space is limited. The rope handles not only add a rustic charm but also make it easy to hang and move the planter around. You can fill it with your favorite flowers, herbs, or greens, and it will become a beautiful centerpiece in your garden. 8. Tiered planter box with wooden legs. A tiered planter box with wooden legs adds a touch of elegance to your garden while providing ample space to showcase your favorite plants. This design features multiple levels of planting areas, allowing you to create a visually appealing display of flowers, herbs, or vegetables. The wooden legs elevate the planter, making it easy to maintain and water your plants. Plus, the tier design adds depth and dimension to your outdoor space, making it a focal point in your garden. 9. Recycled brick planter box with green roof. A recycled brick planter box with a green roof is a perfect blend of eco-friendliness and aesthetics. This unique planter box is made by repurposing old bricks, reducing waste, and creating a beautiful garden feature. The green roof adds an extra layer of insulation, retaining moisture and regulating the temperature around the plants. Plus, it provides a habitat for local wildlife, like bees and butterflies, and can even help to reduce urban air pollution. 10. Raised planter box with built-in irrigation system. A raised planter box with a built-in irrigation system is a game-changer for gardeners. This innovative design ensures your plants receive the right amount of water, exactly when they need it. The irrigation system is usually hidden from view, providing a clean and sleek appearance while keeping your plants healthy and thriving. Plus, the raised planter box adds a decorative element to your garden, making it a functional and stylish addition to your outdoor space. 11. Decorative mosaic planter box with tiles. A raised planter box with a built-in irrigation system is a game-changer for gardeners. This innovative design ensures your plants receive the right amount of water, exactly when they need it. The irrigation system is usually hidden from view, providing a clean and sleek appearance while keeping your plants healthy and thriving. Plus, the raised planter box adds a decorative element to your garden, making it a functional and stylish addition to your outdoor space. 12. Large planter box with composite materials. A large planter box made from composite materials is a perfect solution for gardeners who want a durable and low-maintenance option. Composite materials, such as polypropylene and wood fibers, are resistant to rot, insect damage, and fading, making them ideal for outdoor use. They also allow for a more rustic, natural look that blends seamlessly with the surrounding garden. With a large composite planter box, you can create a stunning focal point in your garden, perfect for showcasing your favorite plants and flowers. 13. Whimsical Fairy Garden Planter Box. A whimsical fairy garden planter box is perfect for those who want to add a touch of magic to their outdoor space. This planter box is designed to resemble a miniature fairy village, complete with tiny houses, flowers, and moss. You can customize it with small figurines, shells, or other decorative items to create a unique and enchanting atmosphere. 14. Modern industrial planter box with metal grid. A modern industrial planter box with a metal grid is a stylish and edgy addition to any garden or outdoor space. The metal grid adds an urban touch, while also providing excellent drainage and aeration for the plants. This planter box is perfect for succulents, herbs, or small flowers that require good airflow. Its industrial look also makes it a great fit for modern homes or offices with a minimalist aesthetic. 15. Long and narrow planter box for balcony. A long and narrow planter box is perfect for balconies with limited space. It allows you to make the most of the available area while adding some greenery to your outdoor space. With a longer planter, you can plant more flowers, herbs, or vegetables, and the narrow design ensures it doesn't obstruct your balcony's walking path. 16. DIY hydroponic planter box with reservoir. A DIY hydroponic planter box with a reservoir is a fantastic way to provide your plants with the necessary nutrients while minimizing water waste. This system works by suspending the plant's roots in a nutrient-rich solution instead of soil. The reservoir holds the solution, allowing the plants to draw from it as needed. With a DIY setup, you can experiment with different nutrients and configurations to find the perfect mix for your plants. Plus, the reservoir ensures that your plants will continue to thrive even if you forget to water them from time to time. 17. Planter box with LED lighting for indoor plants. A planter box with LED lighting for indoor plants is a game changer for those with limited natural light. This innovative design not only adds an extra layer of ambience, but also provides the necessary brightness for your plants to thrive. The soft glow of the LED lights creates a futuristic ambience, making it a perfect fit for modern homes. Plus, you can adjust the light's intensity and color to suit your plant's specific needs. 18. Ceramic tile planter box with built-in drainage. A ceramic tile planter box with built-in drainage is a fantastic choice for your garden, offering a stylish and functional way to showcase your plants. This planter box features a built-in drainage system, ensuring that your plants receive the right amount of water without becoming waterlogged. The ceramic tile construction adds a touch of elegance, while the built-in drainage holes prevent root rot and overwatering. Plus, it's easy to clean and maintain, making it perfect for busy gardeners. 19. Space-saving planter box for small gardens. Small gardens require clever ideas to maximize space, and that's where space-saving planter boxes come in. These clever containers are designed to optimize vertical space, allowing you to grow a variety of plants in even the tiniest of areas. They can be mounted on walls, fences, or even placed in corners, ensuring that every inch of your garden is utilized. Plus, they often feature built-in irrigation systems and drainage, making maintenance a breeze. 20. Cedar wood planter box with natural finish. A cedar wood planter box with a natural finish is a stunning addition to any garden. The natural oils in the cedar wood give it a distinct aroma and resistance to rot and insects, making it an ideal choice for outdoor planters. The natural finish showcases the wood's inherent beauty, adding warmth and character to your garden. Plus, it blends seamlessly with its surroundings, creating a sense of harmony between nature and your plantings. Thanks you for your watching.